Spicing up your sentences. Adjectives and adverbs done right. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of adjectives and adverbs. But we're not just learning about what they are. We're going to learn how to use them to make our sentences more engaging and effective. So get ready, because we're about to turn your sentences from good to great. Adjectives and adverbs are more than just parts of speech. They are the spices of language. They give flavor to your sentences. An adjective describes a noun, giving more information about an object, person, place, or idea. Meanwhile, an adverb mainly modifies a verb, providing further details on how an action is performed. For instance, look at these sentences. 1. Plain. The cat sits on the mat. 2. With adjectives and adverbs, the striped cat gracefully sits on the old mat. The second sentence, filled with adjectives and adverbs, is more vivid, detailed, and engaging, isn't it? However, to create effective sentences, we need to choose our adjectives and adverbs wisely. Not all spices go well with every dish. An ill-fitted adjective or adverb can make a sentence confusing or awkward. Let's consider an example. 1. The round moon shone brightly in the sky. Good. 2. The delicious moon shone quickly in the sky. Awkward. The first sentence is good. It creates a clear image. In the second one, delicious and quickly don't work well. The moon isn't typically described as delicious, and quickly doesn't make sense with shone. Always ensure that your adjectives and adverbs fit logically and naturally into your sentences. Remember, too much of anything is bad. Excessive use of adjectives and adverbs can make your sentences overwhelming and hard to follow. Strike a balance. Every sentence does not need to be embellished. Consider these two examples. 1. The enormous, bright, fiery, awe-inspiring sun sets slowly, dramatically, beautifully, poignantly in the vast, open, tranquil sky. Overwhelming. 2. The fiery sun set beautifully in the tranquil sky. Balanced. The first sentence, filled with adjectives and adverbs, is quite a mouthful and hard to process, while the second one is more digestible and impactful. That's it for today, folks. I hope you now understand how adjectives and adverbs can transform your sentences. Use them wisely, pick the right ones, and maintain a balance. And remember, the goal is to make your sentences more engaging and effective, not complicated. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.